So in this video, I'm going to run you through what info vouchers are and how to set them up on MX Business. So if you open up MX Business, username admin lowercase, password is service1 with a capital S. Again, as I always say, before you do anything, you want to merge all the data from the scale and then reset change flags. This is covered in a separate video, but it's very important to do. So once you've done that, you'll be on the product editor. So what an info voucher is, it's basically a label which can be set up to automatically print out after the main label. So you can do it on label or receipt mode, or both. And what it is that it's just a normal label you've already got, which I'll show you how to configure on a product. And when we select the product, it will, on the scale that is, it will automatically print out the normal label and then the info voucher. So in other words, kind of like a second automatic label. So you want to go to the label designer here, click manage designs, and then if you've already got the label set up, then that's great. If you haven't, you'll want to set the label up. I've done a separate video on just the basics on how to set labels up and how to edit them and stuff like that. So when your label's ready, you want to go back to product editor, choose any product at all, and double click to edit, and then you'll see just here information voucher. So I've got a few set up with my name at the top there, but what you'll need to do is set this up from scratch. So if you click the plus, this is where you'll set the info voucher up. So what you want to do is, first of all, click on print data ID, give that the next recurring number, or whatever ID you want to give it, as long as it's not being used. Give it a name, and click on the undefined section here. This is where you'll choose the label that it's going to actually be. So if you click the drop down, and we'll go for my test label. So that's where you select the label, and then you choose what operating mode do you want it to work in. So you can have label, so it'll only work when it's in label mode, or receipt, so it'll only work in receipt mode, or both. Up to you. As you scroll along, don't worry about this section. You just want to make sure that you've got a number 1 in the printer ID, and that's it. So when you're done, it should look like mine. When that's done, click close. On the drop down again, you'll see it's now appeared. So just click it and then click OK. And then we just need to click send changes, and when you click that, you'll see it pop up and it will send all the changes to the scale, so everything we've just done. I myself don't have a scale linked at the moment, so I can't use that function, but for yourselves you just click that and that's it. And then if you so in regards to velocity, Let's just open that up. If you want to assign the information voucher, to a product, it's the same thing. So find the product, double click, and whatever the ID was on the info voucher, you want to put it in here. So it was 5. So as you can see, we gave it a print data ID of 5. So that means in velocity, you want to put a number 5, press OK, and obviously export changes. If there's multiple products that need it, you can click and drag. Click the edit button in the top right here. And then you just need to find information voucher, put a number 5, click OK, and then export changes. That will then assign that information voucher to all them products. So when you use it on the scale, it will then automatically print out a label. And that's it.